Hi, my name is Darlene Schnuck, and I have been a teacher of special education for 22 years, mostly at the high school level. Um, Currently, I teach at the Luxembourg Casco High School District. Um, I'm teaching EBD there, and I really love it. But I would like to change and try something different. I'd like to be director of special ed. So after this class, I have one more year. I still have to do my practicum. I also have two more classes. Aside from that, my personal life, I've been married to my husband for a long time, 30 some years, and we have two grown children. My daughter lives in Canada. She has her own businesses, vintage clothing, and also she started a flower farm, so that's exciting. My son does heating and air conditioning, and he just moved to Colorado last year. So we're empty nesters, no grandchildren, but I do have two dogs. They keep me busy. We take daily walks, sometimes 2, 3 times a day, but in this heat right now, we're not. We're limiting that. I love nature. I love being outside, so I love to walk. I love to ride my bike. I like to go to the beach. I like to swim. I also like to travel, and hopefully this year we can get a couple camping trips in before we return back to school. So that's it about me, other than, I think about doing this program at the age that I am at. So I am, by the time I graduate, I will be nearly 60. So I think I'm kind of crazy, but this is something that I've always wanted to do. So I'm doing it. All right. Let's have a good class. I'm looking forward to working with people I've seen in the past and new people. All right. Take care. Thank you.